Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Excel and choosing the workbook you'll change. Once done, click File and then Options to open the Excel Options dialog. This is where ribbon and menu settings live. Make sure to select Customize Ribbon on the left so you can see tabs, groups, and commands. You're now in the right place to add items. The next slide shows how to create a custom tab and add commands step by step. You'll create a functional menu. Click New Tab to add a custom tab and a new group inside it. After that, click Rename to give the tab and group clear names so you can find them quickly. Next, choose Commands from the left list, use Popular Commands or All Commands, and click Add to move them into your new group. Make sure to arrange commands with Move Up/Move Down for logical order, then you're ready to finalize. To finish, click OK to save your ribbon customizations and return to Excel. Your new tab should appear to the right of default tabs. Test each command to confirm it performs as expected. If something behaves oddly, reopen Customize Ribbon and adjust. If the tab is missing, make sure you didn't accidentally disable it, check Excel version compatibility, or reset the ribbon using the Reset button.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.